Hi, this is part 1 of a short series about jazz voicings on free bass. Today I'll show you how I practice root and third on the harmony of Someday My Prince Will Come. Let's start.
First, I play every chord with the root on the bottom and the third on top. This is the most basic position. Now I reverse the position. The third goes to the bottom, the root on top. Here I mix the two positions, choosing for each new chord the inversion that creates the smoothest movement. Finally, try to play the voicings together with the melody of the tune, or use them while improvising. I play the melody of Someday My Prince Will Come in the right hand, and in the left hand I'll use the mixed root third voicing.
That's all for today. In part 2, we add the seventh and expand the sound. All exercises are written down in the free PDF, link below. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy your practice, and let me know in the comments how it goes.